Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are on Wish Island and I'm doing the entrance. I wasn't sure like what kind of vibe I wanted to go for, so I just kind of started placing things. I saw Pinterest, I think it was, someone did something similar with the seat in the front and the train tracks and stuff, and the bench and like the kind of terraform behind it, so I kind of liked that vibe that it had, so I wanted to do something similar. But now I'm just kind of placing down the dirt path. I wanted there to be some more going on the map on this island than I had before. I just used custom paths all the time, so I kind of want to use actual paths and put custom designs and stuff over it. So yeah, I'm just placing this now for a while. It took me a bit to place it down. Here I started having an issue with the custom path. It looked weird. I don't know what happened. I do end up changing it a bit or something. Yeah, like all of the middle tiles were looking weird. Like the grass colour came up looking brighter than the rest, and I don't know what's the issue with that. If anyone knows how I can fix it, maybe let me know. But yeah, I just stand there for a bit trying to figure out what is going on. I just didn't understand. Coco gets in my way a lot as well in this video. You're going to see a lot. Poor Coco. There's another build I did as well and she kept getting in my way and I was like, oh my god. But yeah, no, I just had this issue and I didn't know what to do. Instead of making it like that one tile, I think, like that one in the middle, I just kind of, yeah, I did that. I kind of made the centerpiece open. Sorry, that's what I did. I did a build a while ago, so I just can't really remember. Yeah, so I like that middle piece in the middle like that, so I just had to do it that way. Yeah, so I just sorted out then. Yeah, I just leave it like that then. That's the best I could do. Now I'm just starting to place items. I put down the bench. I did the terraforming around it then. Just kind of wanted to see how everything looked before I did it. So I just placed that there. And yeah. Then I do the train tracks here below it. I love this custom design. I only have them going that one way. But yeah, I want to place them in a couple of other places as well around the island if I can. Just look like that used to be there or something, or it's just fake, or I don't know, something like that. Now I kind of start placing some. Yeah, I use this umbrella that looks like suitcases, which I thought looked cool, and I can't believe like I didn't even have the bench placed for like a couple of seconds and Coco was already sitting on it. But yeah, so I try and place that beside the bench. I thought that looked cool. Show people they came off the plane and are like waiting for their train. So yeah, so I'm just gonna be going around placing a few little bits like that. started to get a bit confused with what I wanted to do, so I kind of went off camera and just did more. So over there I did like a signing place and a welcome sign, did a bit more terraforming, did a little path up to the prison service area. Yeah, so that is the entrance for the new Wish Island. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.